Did you know that diamonds from outer space could hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of our planet's composition and water cycle? There is a massive ocean of water underneath your feet. Some scientists call it the sixth ocean of the planet Earth. It's estimated to contain 3 times more water than the oceans on Earth's surface combined. But the question is how they come to know about this? Let's start with the diamonds. Diamonds are known for their beauty and value. But did you know that they can also hold secrets about the Earth's mantle? This is ringwoodite, is a mineral that was discovered in 1969 by an Australian geologist named Ted Ringwood. This mineral was first identified in the Tenem meteorites in 1969, Queensland, Australia.
The composition of ringwoodite is primarily composed of magnesium, iron, silicon, and oxygen, with the chemical formula Mg2SiO4.
The interesting fact is that this material thought to be of meteorite origin only. But then one day in 2014 they found a rare super deep diamond that contained a small pocket of ringwoodite. So far, ringwoodite's sample from within the Earth, the super deep diamond, was found in Huina in western Brazil. The gemstone was brought up by a diatreme volcano eruption that traveled some 700 kilometers, 400 miles, below our feet from the transition zone of Earth's mantle. Ringwoodite is like a sponge, soaking up water. There is something very special about the crystal structure of ringwoodite that allows it to hold water. It's getting too much. Let's rewind a bit and let me first explain about the Earth layer by layer and where the ringwoodite lies within. If you can slice Earth like a cake, then you see multiple layers, from inside out: inner core, outer core, mantle, crust. The inner core is a solid, dense ball of metal, about 1,220 kilometers in radius, made mostly of iron and nickel. The outer core is a fluid layer about 2,400 kilometers thick and composed of mostly iron and nickel that lies above Earth's solid inner core. The mantle is the layer between the crust and the outer core. It is the largest and thickest layer, about 2,900 kilometers thick. The mantle makes up about 84% of the Earth's volume and 67% of its mass. The mantle is divided into upper and lower mantle separated by a transition zone. This transition zone is the place where the sixth ocean is. Super deep blue diamond rock containing ringwoodite lies down here. Ringwoodite only forms under the intense pressure found towards the center of our planet. This is a very special crystal structure, as it contains water not as liquid but trapped inside the molecular structure of the minerals. As I mentioned before, it's like a sponge, soaking up water. The scientists estimated that if just 1% of the rock in the transition zone is water, that would mean it contains 3 times more water than all the oceans on Earth's surface. Some scientists believe water arrived in comets as they struck the Earth. But the new discovery suggests to evidence that Earth's water came from within. The oceans gradually oozed out of the interior of the early Earth. They finally see the evidence for a whole Earth water cycle, which may help explain the vast amount of liquid water on the surface of our habitable planet Earth. Scientists have been looking for this missing deep water for decades. The deep water cycle is a process that describes the exchange of water between the Earth's surface layer and the second layer called the mantle. We hope you enjoyed learning about super deep diamonds, volcanoes, meteorites, and the deep water cycle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest science news and discoveries. Thanks for watching.